And it is probably quite scary for a lot of people when they come off the drug, because the drugs are expensive at the moment. I'm sure they will go down in price when they become a lot more accessible, but right now they're expensive. And if you suddenly can't afford them and all of that food noise comes back, it's quite scary to think, oh, I've lost all this weight and now all I want to do is eat again. So I think if you can try and develop some better eating habits that are going to set you up later on, so that transition is a bit easier, then that's a really good thing to do. Living on a couple of chocolate bars, I mean, it's just not great. And actually, all you're doing is it's just not great. You're just not getting enough nutrition from your diet. So